Welcome everybody. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to download and install Kali Linux inside of our VirtualBox. So let's learn what is Kali Linux. The Kali Linux project began quietly in 2012. It was developed by Matti Aharoni and Devon Carnes of Offensive Security through the rewrite of Backtrack. If you don't know what is Backtrack is another operating system which also used for hacking. But Backtrack is now old and latest version is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is based on Debian testing. Most packages of Kali Linux uses are imported from Debian repositories. Kali Linux is developed using a secure environment with only a small number of trusted people that are allowed to commit packages, with each package being digitally signed by the developer. Kali also has a custom built kernel that is patched for 802.11 wireless injection. This was primarily added because the development team found they needed to do a lot of wireless assessment. So let's see how to download the latest version of Kali Linux and install it inside of our VirtualBox. First, open the Google Chrome and go to the website kali.org, and here you will see a page like that. If you are using a 64-bit, click on here HTTP. If you are using 32-bit, click here HTTP, and you can see what bit you are using like that. Click here, go to properties, and here you will be seeing 64-bit. So I am using 64-bit. I am going to click on HTTP and of course save. Okay, I am not going to download it because I have already installed it. After finishing the download, it can take some time, and double click on the image of the ISO file and then click on import, and you will see then like that. After opening the VirtualBox, then click here to start it. That's it. If you have any questions, just let us know. We will glad to help you. Thank you.